Hi guys, it's Tessa. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be bleaching my roots for the very first time since I had dreadlocks in my hair. If you're wondering, my hair is all wavy because I had them in braids the last couple of days because I wanted it nice and curly-ish. So yeah, I'm going to apply the bleach straight onto my hair as it is, just onto my root area. You can see how much my hair has grown. So the bleach I'm going to be using today is Schwarzkopf Live Colour in Max Blonde 00B. This one was on sale at Asda for £4.50. So I got 2 boxes because it's always better to get 2 just in case you don't have enough to do your whole head. So I am literally just going to be applying it to my roots. I'm going to leave it on my hair for 45 minutes. Future plan is to be putting the dreadlock extensions in, so I'm really excited for that. So my natural hair colour is medium brown, as you can see, the same colour as my eyebrows. So I'm using this bleach because I don't have any left of the Blonde Me by Schwarzkopf. I would normally use the Blonde Me range. I find is just amazing. It works every time. I always get it to a really nice shade of blonde. But this time I'm just going to be using the Schwarzkopf, but one of the box dyes, so it should be okay. I always used to use this before I ended up buying in bulk, so I know it works and I know it works okay on my hair type. Okay, so let's get bleaching. I think 1 box should be enough. I don't think there's any reason for me to use 2 boxes unless I was going to do my whole hair because it is past my shoulders. But because we are just going to be doing the roots today, it shouldn't be a problem. I always remember getting away with 1 box just for my roots, so let's see. It's pretty simple. You've got the developer, you've got the bleach powder, you have a toning cream, and then we have the after treatment conditioner. It's just a normal conditioner, and then some gloves. Now I'm not going to use these ones because I hate using these plastic ones, so I have some latex gloves here already. Just going to double check because it is a different bleach. I know it is by Schwarzkopf, but I'm just going to double check the instructions just so we can see how long to leave it on. Okay. First application, leave mixture in for 30 to 45 minutes. Cool. It's going to be so nice to have fresh hair again, especially when I've finished putting all the dreadlock extensions in. I'm just really excited to have it all like blue and dreaded, and this time I'm going for a full head of dreadlocks. Last time I had a partial head, so alright. Also I need to put a towel down on the floor because I always do that. I haven't done that this time. I do not want to get bleach on the carpet. It's like a big no. So when I bleach my hair I always have 2 towels around me, one on the floor and then one on my lap, just for extra protection. Now mixture. Okay, I'm going to put the bleach powder in first. Pour in the bleach powder. God, this stuff stinks. Try not to breathe it in. Another toning cream. I'm going to pop that in there. See, with the Blonde Me bleach, it's just the developer and the bleach powder that we mix together. So I'm hoping this toner isn't going to make it go completely weird. We'll see. I trust you, Schwarzkopf. I do. Woohoo! Okay, sorted. Now we apply it onto the hair. Always start with like a straight parting, just helps with the sectioning. So I'm going to work on one side at a time. Normally it's best to start at the back and then work at the front. I think it's been about 5 years since I've applied the bleach on my roots like this through the bottle in a brush. Now I've been buying it all in bulk. I've just been mixing it up in the bowl and using it like that. So I feel like a teenager again.
you know that? Just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room, caught in emotion on every occasion, laughter in hours of gloom. You got me falling. Did you know that?
Okay, done. So I'm going to leave the bleach on my head for about 30 to 40 minutes and then I'm going to check on it, see if it's the shade of blonde I'm looking for, and then I'm going to wash it out. Oh, shampoo and condition. Hello, welcome to Tess's Ratchet Hair Salon. Okay guys, so it's the end of the processing time. I've left it on my hair for about 45 minutes and it's turned a really good shade of blonde. I'm really happy with it. So I'm going to now wash it out of my hair. I'm going to use a purple toning shampoo and condition it. But yeah, it's turned out pretty good. So I'll get back to you when I've washed it out. Yeah, it's done. It's good. That's what the back looks like. Ta-da! Look at this! It's all over a nice shade of blonde. I'm actually really impressed with this. I thought it was going to be kind of patchy, you know, like a dark ginger and then like a lighter blonde, so I'm surprised it is all the same shade of blonde, which is nice. That's what the back looks like. Just gonna chill, let it dry, but yeah, it looks really good. I quite like it like this, so I might leave it like this for a bit. Part of the plan is I'm just going to re-dye it all over with the turquoise, and then we're ready for the next hair transformation. But Look how cute it is! Oh, it's so cute! So the turquoise that I have in my hair now is Aquamarine by Arctic Fox Hair Colour. If any of you guys are interested in trying Arctic Fox Hair Colour, I have a discount code that you can use. I will put it in the video description box for you. So I'll end up just putting this all over my hair, just covering all of it, just to make it all an even colour. Also, I managed to keep all my makeup on in the shower as well. Normally I end up looking like a panda and it's just black eyeliner goes everywhere, so how is my makeup still okay? I do not know, but that's alright. I didn't have to do it again. Love it! It turned out better than I expected. I don't know why. I really thought it was going to be patchy. So my hair feels the same condition as it was before because I literally just bleached the roots. What? Look at that. Okay, that is pretty impressive. Like, what? There's no banding or anything. It's just blonde. Like, what? It's crazy. I don't know. I think I underestimate myself sometimes. It's turned out really good. Love it. It's great. All good in the hood. So there we go guys, that was me bleaching my roots for the first time since I've taken out my dreadlocks. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovelies very soon. Bye guys.